Have you ever wondered what you would do if you had to completely start over online with zero money, zero audience, and zero experience in 2025? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today as I share the exact strategies I would use if I had to build my income again from scratch. If you're a beginner and want a clear roadmap for building an online business this year, this video will give you the blueprint. Stick with me until the end because I'll break down practical steps you can copy immediately. And make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss the latest strategies to grow your money-making journey online. 1. Starting with a simple YouTube channel. If I had to begin again in 2025, one of my first moves would be to create a YouTube channel because it remains one of the most powerful free platforms for traffic. YouTube allows anyone to build authority by posting videos around topics people are actively searching for. The beauty of this is that you don't need to show your face if you don't want to, since faceless videos still perform well. Using free editing tools and stock footage, I could start creating content immediately. With consistency, the algorithm would push my videos to new audiences. 2. Leveraging TikTok and short-form content. Another step I would take is building a presence on TikTok and Instagram Reels, because short-form content spreads like wildfire. These platforms make it easy for complete beginners to reach thousands, sometimes millions of viewers without spending money. By making short, value-packed videos around trending topics, I could attract attention quickly. The goal would be to provide useful, relatable, or entertaining content that encourages shares and saves. Once traffic builds up, I could direct viewers to my YouTube channel, blog, or offers. 3. Writing on free blogging platforms. I would also set up a free blog using platforms like Medium or Blogger, because written content is still a goldmine for long-term visibility. Blogs allow you to target specific keywords that people search on Google every day. By writing helpful, problem-solving articles, I could generate steady organic traffic over time. Affiliate links within those articles would help monetize the traffic passively. Beginners often think they need a fancy website, but free platforms provide everything necessary to start. 4. Using Quora and Reddit for free traffic. If I had no audience, I would immediately turn to Quora and Reddit because they're full of people actively looking for solutions. By providing detailed, valuable answers to questions, I could position myself as an authority even as a beginner. These platforms allow you to insert links naturally, which can funnel readers to your blog, YouTube channel, or affiliate offers. The key is being genuinely helpful, not spammy, because trust is what drives clicks. Over time, answers can rank on Google, giving them long-term visibility. 5. Building an email list from day one. One of the smartest things I would do if starting again is build an email list from day one. Social platforms can change algorithms overnight, but an email list is something you control. Using free tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit's free plan, I could set up a simple landing page and start collecting emails in exchange for a free guide, checklist, or resource. This gives me a direct line to people genuinely interested in what I offer. From there, I could send helpful content, updates, and product recommendations. 6. Affiliate marketing with free traffic. If I had no products of my own, affiliate marketing would be a go-to strategy because it allows you to earn by promoting other people's products. It requires no inventory, no shipping, and no upfront cost. I would sign up for networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, or Amazon Associates to find products that fit my niche. Then, I would use YouTube, TikTok, blogs, and T&A sites to drive traffic to my affiliate links. The key to success here is providing value and showing people how the product solves their problem. 7. Selling simple digital products. If I had to start over, I would create small digital products because they cost nothing to make and can be sold endlessly. These could be simple ebooks, templates, or checklists designed to solve specific problems. With free design tools like Canva and Google Docs, I could make professional products quickly. Then, I'd sell them on free platforms like Gumroad or Payhip, which don't require upfront costs. Traffic would come from social media, blogs, and communities where people are already searching for solutions. 8. Using free AI tools for content creation. If I had to rebuild from scratch, I would take full advantage of free AI tools because they save time and make creating content much easier. Platforms like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and free video generators can help beginners write scripts, design graphics, and brainstorm ideas. This removes the overwhelm of starting with a blank page. By using AI, I could publish more content across multiple platforms, which means faster growth. Free traffic multiplies when you consistently post helpful content in different formats. 9. Leveraging Pinterest for long-term growth. Another free traffic strategy I would use is Pinterest because it acts like a visual search engine. Unlike regular social platforms, pins on Pinterest can drive traffic for months or even years after posting. I could create simple pins with Canva, link them to my blog or YouTube, and start building a steady stream of visitors. Pinterest works especially well for niches like finance, health, travel, and education. Beginners don't need followers to succeed, since traffic comes from searches, not just audiences. 10. Creating value in online communities. Lastly, if I was starting again, I would focus on building relationships in online communities. This includes Facebook groups, LinkedIn, and even Discord servers, where people gather around specific topics. By consistently sharing knowledge, answering questions, and contributing, I could build trust quickly. People naturally become curious and check out your content when you're genuinely helpful. Beginners can use this to funnel free traffic into their blogs, products, or email lists without spending money. So if I had to completely start over in 2025, these are the exact steps I would follow to build an online income from scratch using only free traffic. The truth is, you don't need money to get started. You just need the right roadmap and the discipline to take action consistently. Whether it's growing a YouTube channel, creating digital products, or building an email list, the opportunities are endless for anyone willing to start today. If this video gave you a clear plan for starting your own journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss more step-by-step guides designed to help you grow. Let's keep building together because your online success in 2025 starts today.